In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GTD Notion template, 5 minutes. We'll set up the template, walk through the core parts of getting things done, and show you how to actually work from it day to day, all inside Notion. Start by logging into Notion on the web or desktop app. On your dashboard, look for the drop-down icon that opens the template or workspace options. In the search bar, look up GTD Notion template. When you find it, click Add to bring it into your workspace. It'll appear in your sidebar so you can open it right away. Before jumping in, take a quick tour. The main dashboard gives you a hub to see what needs attention. The navigation bar links to core databases, and those databases are the engine of this system. Understanding where things live will make the rest effortless. GTD begins with capture. Any idea, task, or commitment goes straight into the dedicated inbox. Don't organize as you go, just drop it in. To make this fast, use the template's quick capture buttons or your favorite integrations so you can add items from your phone, browser, or anywhere else in a couple of taps. Next, clarify and organize by processing the inbox. Open each item and decide what it is. If it's actionable, define the very next visible step. If it isn't, mark it as referenced someday or remove it. This is where you reduce mental clutter and transform vague thoughts into clear actions. Now place items into the key databases. Tasks or actions hold single-step items. Use the context, priority, and due date properties so you can filter your list to match where you are and what matters most. Projects track multi-step outcomes. Create or link a project and connect its associated actions so you always know the next move. Areas of responsibility like health, finances, or home. Group your projects and goals by life domain, helping you maintain balance. The calendar is reserved for time-sensitive, fixed-date items such as meetings and hard deadlines. Keep flexible work off the calendar to prevent overload. Build a rhythm with the weekly review section. Once a week, clear the inbox, review each project, refresh your action lists, and scan the calendar to plan ahead. This is the habit that keeps everything current and trustworthy. On projects, use the last review and next review in days properties. Update the last time you checked a project and set how soon it should surface again. This keeps important work from going stale. With that, your daily flow is simple. Capture into inbox, clarify and organize, then execute from filtered action lists. You'll think less about what to do and get more done with confidence.